Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics. In this tutorial video, we are going to learn how to log in Viva Finance. First step is to open your browser. Now click on the search bar and type in Viva Finance login. Now scroll down a little bit until you see this logo, click on it. Here you have to type in your phone number and your password to log in, so type in your phone number. Now type in your password. If you want to reset your password, you can click on this link and reset it. And if you want to sign in with your email address, you can click here and sign in. And if you don't have an account yet, you can click on create account and create a new account. Now click on sign in, and these are the simple steps that you can follow to log in Viva Finance. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.